So here one very important question is given in your book, that is classify the following reactions. So already we know the type of reactions: chemical composition, decomposition, chemical double displacement or displacement reactions, okay, electrochemical reactions, photochemical reactions, we know the reversible reactions, we know the different type of reactions. Here in this bit some reactions are given. We need to identify that the reaction belongs to which type. Okay, see the first question. Zinc plus sulfuric acid zinc sulfate plus H2 gas. Okay, so here, so the reaction is so zinc here. What is the position of zinc? Is powered 0. Okay, so here Zn plus 2, and here hydrogen is replaced. Hydrogen is replaced by zinc. Actually, the H2SO4 becomes Zn-SO4. Actually, the two hydrogens means two positives. Okay, so the two H plus are replaced by one Zn plus 2 here. Here zinc is Zn plus 2. Means it is comes under displacement reaction. Okay, this is called chemical displacement reaction. So here what is displacement? The two hydrogens are replaced. Replacement or displacement? Two hydrogens are replaced by the Zn plus 2. So plus 2 ni replace plus 3 undali. Two H plus ions are replaced by Zn plus 2. These H plus ions formed into H2. Okay. So here, so it is an example of. So what is the answer? The answer is chemical displacement reaction. Okay. Let's see one more question. Barium chloride so here it is given solid. Okay. So can you guess this is which type of reaction? So here barium chloride, here sodium sulfate, barium chloride, sodium sulfate. So what are the ions? Here barium plus 2, 2 Cl minus ions. Here 2 sodium plus ions, SO4 minus 2. Here exactly the barium, there is a displacement takes place. The displacement, see here Cl2d SO4 minus 2 replaces it. Okay. Next barium is sodium plus, and a total రెండింటిలో మనకి displacement అయింది. This is known as chemical double displacement reaction. Okay, chemical double displacement reaction. So ఇక్కడ ఈ double displacement reaction, so already we know the double displacement reactions are again two types. Okay, the neutralization reactions are present and their precipitation reactions are present. Okay, if acid base reaction होते, if the reaction takes place between acid and base, that is called neutralization. But here it is a salt, it is a salt. Okay, so ఇది acid కాదు, ఇది base కాదు. Okay, acid base లేవు. Chemical displacement it's okay. Again chemical displacement లో మనకి two separate names ఉంటాయి. Okay, chemical displacement is the correct answer. But again there is a classification is there. There is a precipitation reactions and neutralization reaction. If acid plus base gives a salt plus water is called a neutralization reaction. But here two salts are combined forming a precipitation of barium sulfate. So is treated as precipitation reaction. Okay. So here what is the answer is, it is a chemical double displacement reaction, and it is a precipitation reaction. Okay. Let's see one more example. Okay, next see one more reaction. Carbon monoxide and oxygen. So it's a gas. Oxygen. Okay, here. So what is the type of reaction? So here we are not discussing about the oxidation reduction. We are discussing about the type of the reactions. Okay. Here carbon monoxide added to oxygen and there is one product, carbon dioxide, is formed. We know that the combination of one or two or more than one chemical species combined together forming a single product. Okay, so more than one chemical species combined, right? More than one chemical species are combined together forming a one product. Okay, one product form చేస్తుందని ఏమంటాం, this is called a chemical combination reaction. Okay, it is an oxidation reaction, but here said that what is the type of reaction. So it is a chemical combination reaction. So how it is you need to understand, because only one product is formed. Okay. See one more example given. Potassium nitrate solid changed to potassium nitrite. Yes. So can you guess the type of reaction? The potassium nitrate become potassium nitrite and oxygen. So one reactant formed into two or more components. Okay, two or more components. Two compounds formed. And it is simply decomposed. Okay, single product unte, that is called combination reaction. Single reactant unte, single type of reactants unte, that is called a chemical decomposition reaction. Here important here, single compound means not the number. So type of compound, 2 CO2s unte, it is not like that. The 2 potassium nitrate, it is not like that. Means ikkada any moles and only whatever it is, the number of compounds are 1 ఉండాలి. అంటే type of compounds 1 potassium nitrate ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ potassium nitrates only one compound is present. Okay, therefore it is example for what? Chemical decomposition reaction. Decombination, or is also called let us see one more example. Okay, so here simply, so it is not a replacement reaction, it is not a combination, it is not a decomposition reaction. Here only one possibility is there. So by seeing this symbol we can say it is a reversible reaction. Though forward, this is indicates forward reaction, this indicates backward reaction. So the reactions in which both the forward and backward takes place are called a reversible reaction. There is no other possibility here. It is treated as a reversible reaction. Let's see one more example. So here at the arrow mark it is given electric current. So here it is appearing like so by seeing this symbol we can say it is a reversible reaction, and it is takes place only in the presence of electric current. It is exactly mentioned already. This is the best example for electrochemical reaction, means we can say it is a reversible electrochemical reaction. So now answer is so these are example for, this is the example for reversible and electrochemical reaction. See, potassium chlorate. What is the KCl? It's a solid. So we can write at the bottom or at the side, whatever it is. And it is given, and the arrow mark, it is given manganese dioxide and heat. Okay, so just by seeing the symbol, we can say it is a reversible reaction, but it is given MnO2. So what is the purpose of manganese dioxide? So manganese dioxide here works as a catalyst for the decomposition of potassium chlorate. Okay, so singly we can't say it's a decomposition because reversal also takes place. Means we can say reversible catalytic reaction. Okay, reversible catalytic reaction because here the catalyst is MnO2. In the presence of catalyst it takes place. That's why we can write it as a reversible catalytic reaction. Here manganese dioxide is a catalyst. Okay. So can you guess what is this type of reaction? So here it is a chemical combination reaction. Okay, chemical hydrogen and chlorine are combined together forming only one product, that is a hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. Here only one product is formed, means always it is a chemical combination reaction. And in the chemical combination reaction, so what are the combined reactants? Combined reactants are H2Cl2. So in the second example, in the third example, we discussed that CO plus O2 is also formation of CO2 only. Okay, so in that example, we said only the chemical combination reaction. So what is the difference in that reaction and now the example 8 reaction means here carbon monoxide is a molecule, O2 is a separate only single element. Okay, only single element molecule. So there is a formation of one product is simply treated as combined reaction or combination reaction. Here, okay, it is a combination reaction and the participated on elemental form. So you can hydrogen one element molecule, chlorine other element molecule, the formation of HCl. The elemental form low when they combine, these also treated as synthesis reactions. Means mainly it is a main name and it's a chemical combination. It's a chemical combination. And also, so it's a constituent elements, elemental formula it is also called the synthesis reaction. Okay, is also known as chemical synthesis reaction. So one more important is diffuse sunlight. It is taking place using sunlight, so it is also known as it is also example for photochemical reaction. So can you guess what is the reaction? So here it is again only one product is present. So one product, what are the reactants? Reactants are in elemental molecular form. Elemental molecular form means in that molecule only one type of element are present. If you take carbon dioxide molecule, it is having carbon element and oxygen element. But here N2 and two nitrogens belong to same element, two oxygen belong to same element. This is called elemental molecule. So elemental molecule form అయితే one product వచ్చిందంటే, so one product formation is always called chemical combination or direct combination. Chemical combination reaction. So it is also formed from constituent elemental form. So elemental form lo vachindi kabatti it is also called simply synthesis. Okay. Next, so what is this reaction? So one reactant is present. Simply we can say it is a decomposition reaction. One reactant undante there is a decomposition reaction. One molecule, one compound decomposed into more than one products. One reactant undante that is the best example for that will be the what type of reaction? It's a chemical decomposition reaction. So here, so the chemical decomposition reaction again here see N2 and 3H2. Both are in elemental form. అంటే ఫామ్ అయిన కాంపౌండ్స్ లో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ లో మనకి డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అంటే CO2, CO, N2, NO కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ టూ డిఫరెంట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ లో ఇక్కడ N2 కాన్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ ఎలిమెంట్ మాలిక్యూల్, H2 కాన్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ ఎలిమెంటల్ మాలిక్యూల్. సో ఎలిమెంటల్ మాలిక్యూల్ లో డివైడ్ అవుతాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ general reaction is the main type is chemical decomposition or decombination. Okay, both names can be used. Chemical decomposition reaction, and it is also called elemental form. Elemental form is kabatti it is also called analysis. Okay, it is also known as analysis reaction. Means you need to be perfect in their definitions, okay, and examples. So write one more. So here calcium carbonate on heating becomes calcium oxide and CO2. So calcium carbonate, what is the other name? Is a limestone. Limestone becomes lime and carbon dioxide. So here only decomposition takes place. Just in the example 10, it is also chemical decomposition reaction, and that will also comes under analysis. So analysis ఎప్పుడు చేస్తాం మనం? ఫామ్ అయిన ప్రోడక్ట్స్ లో ఓన్లీ ఎలిమెంటికల్ ఫామ్ ఉంటాయి, ఎలిమెంట్ ఫామ్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడేమో మనకి మాలిక్యులర్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, CaO టూ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కలిసి మాలిక్యూల్ ఫామ్ అయింది. ఓకే, దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ రియాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఓన్లీ కెమికల్ డీకంపోజిషన్. Chemical decomposition reaction. Okay. See the one more example. So can you guess what type of reaction? So it's very simple. By seeing sunlight, we can say it is a photochemical reaction. So what is the name of that reaction? Can you say what is the name of the total reaction? The type of reaction means it's in the presence of sunlight. We can say it is a photochemical reaction. Okay, photo means light. It is an example for photochemical reaction. Actually, what is the name of this reaction? So the reaction is that photosynthesis reaction done by the plants. The photosynthesis reaction which takes place in the plants. So that's why I'm given the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means the green color pigment present in the leaves. Due to the presence of chlorophyll only, there is a photosynthesis reaction takes place in presence of sunlight. That's why it's called photochemical reaction. Next, write down some questions. You have to identify that the given reaction belongs to which type of reactions. Okay. What is the type of reaction? You have to write. Next. You have to write the answers, okay? So write the answers for this reaction. We need to find that which type of reaction is present here. Okay.